In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp for sales teams. Pipeline Tracking 2026. Open your browser and head to clickup.com. This is where everything starts. If you already have an account, click Login. You can continue with email or sign in using a connected provider. Just choose what you usually use. Once you're in, you'll land on your ClickUp homepage, which is the hub for your tasks, upcoming work, and quick links. If you're part of multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the correct one for your sales team before moving on. Take a look at the left-hand sidebar. This is where your spaces and projects live. A space is a top-level container, perfect for building a dedicated sales hub so your team can track leads, deals, and pipeline stages in one place. Let's create that sales setup for your team. In the sidebar, locate your team's space area. Look for the plus button to add something new. We're going to build this using a template so you get proven structure out of the box, rather than starting from scratch. Click the plus button and head to Templates. We're creating a sales workspace, so in the Template Center, search for Sales. You'll see ready-made options designed for pipeline tracking, deal management, and account follow-up. Preview any template that looks close to your process, then choose Use Template. This saves time and ensures you have standard statuses, fields, and views aligned with a typical sales workflow. You'll now see an information screen with import options. Here's what matters. Choose where to add the template, either as a new space or inside an existing one. Keep the default sales statuses unless you already have a defined process. These often include stages like prospecting, qualified, proposal, negotiation, and closed won or lost. Enable custom fields because they're essential for pipeline reporting. Common fields include deal value, expected close date, contact company, and deal owner. These fields power dashboards and forecasts later. Decide whether to bring in sample tasks. If you're new to ClickUp, sample tasks can help you understand how deals move through stages. You can always delete them once you've learned the flow. Assign default owners only if you want new tasks to route to a specific teammate by default. And enable date shifting if the template includes timelines so that due dates align with today's date. Finally, review privacy and sharing so the sales space is visible to the right people on your team. Apply the template and your sales pipeline appears instantly. From here, you can add deals, drag them across stages in board view, and update fields to keep your pipeline accurate and current. That's your streamlined setup in ClickUp for sales tracking in 2026.